How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one, as you can see, and this one too. This is an AI influencer powered by AI and has over 300K followers. That means it's followed by real people and it doesn't exist. Here we have a lot of pictures, a lot of likes, comments. So you can create yours too and earn money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. And a lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create one because here we have hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. And as you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can choose which one you want and then you can sign up. And we have a lot of options. We have here use cases, features, resources, company, pricing, and in which options you can select the one you want, and then you can read more information about it to more understand how the website works. As you can see here, we have a lot of options, so you can read which one you want and more understand the website, how it works if you find some difficulties on understanding. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find a video guide of an AI character, an example explaining a specific topic. So this is the script. As you can see, you can also select your script and select your AI character, and then you can make your video on this website. If we more scroll down over here, you'll find a various one. For example, this AI character is explaining sales outreach, product marketing, learning and development, content marketing, and with a various AI character. As you can see, this is the power of AI, as I mentioned, and this is the AI avatar, a lot of and a various one. So you can start with which one you want, and then you gonna earn your money. So if you want to get started, you can just click on get started, then you write your email, enter your email verification code, and you will answer for a few questions, then you sign up. It will lead you to this homepage. So this is the homepage. As you can see, here's my recent creations. So you can scroll down over here, you'll find hygiene learning guide. This is an AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation. So if you find some difficulties on understanding, you can just use this guide. It will help you to explain and more understanding how this things works. So you can choose which one you want, which one you find difficulties on it. And this is the template, so you can start your templates using this AI character can help you to make your templates more professional and let the AI character introduce the topics. So this is really something amazing that can help you and make things more easy for you. And this is the avatars. As you can see, if you want to start a video on YouTube with it, so you can go to video avatar and then dive into studio avatar, and you can scroll down. You'll find various one, a various AI character that you can choose the one you want, the one suits your content. So for example, let's select that one. As you can see, this is the way insert this three dot if you want to edit avatar, if you want to get avatar ID. This is if you want to, or if you want to create your video, you can just click on the landscape. If you want to start on YouTube, this is a lot of options. As you can see, here we have our AI character. If you want to put it on the left, if you want to put it on the right, if you want to put it on the middle, and also you can determine the size you want. It depends on how you want your character, AI character, and how you want your video. This is the animation, so you can add an effect on enter, add an effect on leave, and if you want to add a script too, so you can add your script. You can delete this one and then you can add it. You can edit it or you can edit another one, so it's depend how you want your script. You can add a pause section between these two scripts, 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. You can add a recording, so you can here click to start and start recording, and then you can here upload audio, so you can upload your audio if you had one. And if you find some difficulties on writing script, GPT script writer will help you to create one, so you can type the topic you want, and then you gonna or GPT script writer will help you to create it. And this is the translation, so you can translate the language you want, and then you're gonna start. So this is the script, so it will translate to the language you choose, and then you can click on apply. So for the voices, so you can choose the voice you want. The voice suits your content, the voice suits your AI character. For example, I already choose AI character female, so of course the voice will be female. And you can select which voice you want, so the AI character will speak which voice that you choose here. And for the ages, you can select, as I mentioned, the one suits the AI character, and for the function you can select the function that you want. So it's depend on how you want your voice and how you want your video. And this is a lot of types of voices, so you can find natural voice, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. So there's a various one that you can start with. And if you finish your editing, you can just click on submit and your video will be ready to start or to publish it on your YouTube channel. So you can earn money by monetizing your YouTube channel. So you can publish a lot of videos with AI character, and uh, your YouTube channel will be monetized quickly. And you can start, for example, as an affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting product or services, affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links. So, or you can just simply create a video guide using an AI influencer, can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So by starting on defining your topic, so you can create or choose a specific topic that you want to create it, and then you're gonna start. Just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So these examples are just a few ways to two examples to start earning money. There's a lot of examples, a lot of ways that you can get money. So what are you waiting for? You can start your EI character and start your YouTube channel, and then you can get your YouTube channel monetized, and then you can earn your money. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.